Hi Year 8s. So the assignment you'll be doing today is on 1950s culture. You can choose any topic related to the 1950s. So some people have done rocketry. Topics could be cars, fashion, TV shows, movie stars, an event, anything to do with the 1950s. You need to find information and pictures from the internet mainly, books, magazines, or you can draw your own if you like. You need to create a poster depicting your topic for the 1950s. Now, presentation is going to be big because this is the poster. You need clarity, and the bigger the poster, the greater the impact. Well, in this, you can use perhaps a Word document and do A3 size or something like that. Very important that you have categories. So it's not paragraphs so much as categories. You can do dot points, you can do paragraphs if you like. 50 to 100 words for each category, and present the information in sentence or dot points. Now here's the big one. Now if you're doing a music person like Elvis Presley, you need to relate the music that they play to the culture of the times. For example, Elvis Presley wore denim jeans and leather jackets and things like that, which is similar, and then the teenagers copied that style, whereas parents would have suits and coats, jackets and skirts and things like that. You could say that Elvis Presley would be most likely to drive a sports car, whereas families would have station wagons, that kind of comparison. Okay, that's the biggie as far as assessing goes. Suitable information. Your information must be accurate, researched, and in your own words. Once you've found your info, highlight or note the important points. So generally speaking, you need to find lots of information on the topic that you're doing, note it, and then put it into groups based on various aspects. For example, if you do Elvis Presley, you could do early life, first recording, late life, things like that. And then you would do a section on the relating Elvis to different aspects of cultures, like he was a teenage idol and lots of people followed him. Okay, make sure your grammar is fine, and then you'll get marks for your effort and your creativity. So if you can be nice and creative, it's a bit easier to do it on a poster actually. So what you could do is you could create a poster and then photograph it, or by the time this is finished, you might be back at school and then you can hand it up. And if you look in the keyboard lab, you'll see examples from previous years of this project, and there's some really great ones there. Okay, presentation, big, categories, suitable information, own words, grammar, creativity and effort, links to music, and biography. However, if we go to the actual assessment criteria down here, the assessment criteria identify and connect specific features and purposes of music from different eras to explore viewpoints and enrich their music making. So that's the main thing I'll be assessing. As part of that, I'll be doing the culture and all that. So basically this is the marking scheme I'll be using, but that's the general purpose of it. Okay, thanks very much. Enjoy the project.